A very bright morning to all my lovely children. Today we're going to solve the assignment of English dated 30th June. That is also based on the same chapter that you have done in your class, that is a different kind of school. So now let's start with the assignment. The first question, give the meaning of the following words. The first word is misfortune. Misfortune is basically when something is not good for us. Something is not favorable for us. So the meaning is bad luck. Second word, misery. Misery means difficulty. Difficulty not in doing a particular small thing, but yes, difficulty in life. So, in the story, the girl was blind, the boy was crippled, but they were acting, but they were also understanding the pain, the misery at the same time of the disabled ones. Third is thoughtfulness. It means to be helpful, to be careful, to be like intelligent, right? Somebody who is golden hearted. And the fourth word is awful. It means bad, which is something which is not unhappy, right? Which is unhappy for us. Now let's move on to the second question. Fill in the blanks. So, when I arrived, there was no one dash but a girl of about 12. This is said by the author. So, author says that as soon as I entered in the school premises, there was no one, but I could find a girl of about 12 years. So, answer is in sight. Means he could see, he could only see a girl of 12 years. Second, the dash of the school is not so much to teach thought as to teach dash. This is said by Miss Beam when she was talking to the author. So, the real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness. It means to teach students how to be careful, how to be helpful to someone. Third, there is a girl with a crutch watching the others to play. She seems to be a dash. This is said by the author when he was looking out of the window. So he says that there is a girl with the crutch and she seems to be a hopeless cripple. Means she cannot help herself. She wants to play but she cannot play. So that's why hopeless cripple. Fourth, the dash is, of course, really the worst. It means which day was worst? Blind day. If you remember, the girl says to the author that blind day is the most difficult. Why? Because it feels like that now we will be stuck to something, now we will fall down. Right? So now let's move on to the third question. Now, these are the statements that are used in the chapter. You have to say whether they are correct or incorrect. First, the writer saw that the eyes of the girl in Miss Beam's school were not covered with a bandage. So it's a false because as soon as he enters the school, he finds a girl whose eyes were covered with a bandage. Second, children were asked to mug up the knowledge and dislike each other in school. Was this the thing that was taught in the school? No, they were taught to be good friends, they were taught to be helpful, so it is false. Third, children in Miss Beam's school were not lame or stupid and blind. Correct. They were not actually lame, they were not actually blind, but they were acting like that and celebrating the days to understand the pain. So it is true. And the last is Miss Beam's school was celebrating Blind Day to evaluate the thoughtfulness of children. It's true because Miss Beam's main idea was to make children understand that if sometime we get a chance to help someone who is blind, how to help that person and how the person actually feels. Make sentences of your own using the words. So, this is the last question of the assignment where you will be making sentences of your own definitely from the given two words. First one is thoughtful. So it means thoughtful, as I told you, helpful, right? Careful, the one who knows others' pain. So, me and my friends are very thoughtful towards homeless people. So, the sentence means that I and my friend are very helpful to the people, those who don't have a home to live. The second is relief. Nervously, I dialed her call and felt a flood of relief when she picked up. Relief means when you're finally happy that yes, I was worried about this thing, but it went very well. So you get a sigh of relief. Now, before ending the video, let's watch a little video that what is the basic lesson we learn from this chapter. That is a different kind of school. I hope you will like it and yes, you will understand the moral as well. So let's start with the video. So, this was a little short video which makes us understand that it's not about an organization, it's not about a company, it's us, it's the individual. We can help people, we can help them move, walk, we can help them buy food, we can help them by providing the needy stuff that they require. So, with this lesson, we ended the assignment of 30th June. Thank you. Take care and be kind to yourself and to the one those who need you. Thank you.